I'm Chris Hartley. I teach 8th grade American history at Highland Middle School. For the past 26 years at least, as long as I've been in Highland, we've been participating in a Respect for Law program. It's sponsored by the Highland Optimist Club, of which I'm a member, and they pay for the students to come to Edwardsville to get a look at our judicial system. And so it's to instill a respect for law, and it's also to gain an understanding of how the process works in a courtroom. And we have a mock trial about DUI. So this is to teach the students the ins and outs of what happens to you should you make the unfortunate decision to operate a motor vehicle under the influence of alcohol, particularly as an underage person, and what might happen to you and your driver's license. So it's a big day of education, both in terms of civics and in terms of civic responsibility.
Both Jeremy and I, as 8th grade students, had the privilege of seeing the mock trial from the student perspective, and we're very excited to be able to do this year after year with Judge Hilla in order to show the middle school students a little bit about what we do.
I enjoyed it because I didn't know a lawyer when I was in 8th grade. I had no experience with the legal system, and this was my first opportunity to see, even though it's in a mock fashion, to see kind of how the legal system works.
I agree. It was really our first glance at the criminal justice system, and clearly both Jeremy and I have now made careers following up with prosecution and defense work. So it was really our first experience with how trials worked and how the court system worked.
I would say that the trial was interesting, and that I would definitely say that the defendant was guilty, because there was alcoholic beverages, like the cans, in the car, and they put that in evidence. So yeah.
Yes, the trial, I liked it. My reactions were, because I've never been in a trial before, I liked it. I understood what they were saying and how they asked the questions.
So I thought it was a great trial. It really showed me that what a real one would be like, and I felt that the guy was not guilty, but turned out to be wrong.
I felt like it was a really good trial. It was a pretty fun day, but I think that he was guilty, because if he had 6 years,